Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'm gonna continue working on my 2017 GMC Yukon, and my plan for today's episode is to start finally assembling this vehicle. It's been such a long time since it's been disassembled, and everything should start going smoothly back together. And I want to start with the rear end. First I want to install the bumper, of course the taillight and the cover. Then I will move to the bolt doors, we'll assemble them, and of course at the end I will completely assemble front end, underhood, and whatever involved, and to be completely done with the front end. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribe. I have awesome stuff on its way. Let's jump right into it. Wow, who would have thought? I don't know what happened to it, but I couldn't open it that time. Now I press it and it lifts the gate up. I don't know, something maybe got corrupted in the system or shorted, I don't know. But I replaced the battery, installed a new battery to it, and you saw the magic. The gate is lifted up. It's nice. I don't have to find the issue, what was causing that. Now let's get the bumper together and finally install it. Before I can install the bumper, I need to install the taillight, and it's actually came in yesterday. I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it, inspect it, and see is everything good, nothing broken. Install it, and then we can put the rear bumper back. It looks really filthy and faded. Hopefully I can buff it out. It's been described in really good condition, but I can't call this really good condition, and hopefully I just can buff it out. If not, I'll have to return it because I paid $400 for it. And the way the condition is in, I don't think it's worth the $400. Let's install it and hopefully I can buff it out. Alright guys, it's not only that it's filthy and faded, it also doesn't work. And upon further inspection, it looks like this taillight was flooded. So only LED, 3 LEDs works over here, nothing else is working. So this taillight definitely goes back to its owner. Don't get burned if you're looking for a GMC taillight. I'm not gonna put it seller's name, but I will make sure I'll tell him that doesn't work and he should not scam people. So this taillight goes back and I'll have to wait another week before I can get another one. The other day I got disappointed on the taillight that it wasn't working, and I decided to stop where I'm at and go deal with it, write it to the seller and figure it out what we're gonna do with it. I got the response from the seller. He's gonna get the taillight back without the taillight. I don't want to put the bumper back as I have connections here. Let's move to the back door assembly, then we'll do the same thing on the front door. I'm done with this door. Let's assemble this door real quick, and that should be it with the doors. As you can see, I finished assembling the front door. The both doors are assembled. Now let's jump right in under the hood and finish assembling everything under the hood. Then I'll move to the fender liners and bumper with the grille, and of course headlights.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Alrighty guys, I finished assembling under the hood what I can. I have some check engine issues. I'll stop right there. I'm gonna have to take the intake out. There's some issues with the throttle position sensor. I don't know what's going on with it. I'll have to go to a store tomorrow, and also I'll have to stop by at the dealership. They got me wrong part for this intake also. They got me right side instead of left side. And what I wanted to do right now is I want to take the old bumper apart and assemble the new one and see what am I missing. Maybe I'll have to purchase that tomorrow from a dealer. Now let's jump right into those bumpers and switch usable parts and see what am I missing so I can order it tomorrow. As you can see, I finished transferring everything from old bumper to a new bumper, and like I said, I'm probably gonna be missing few parts. That's the reason I wanna do it right now so I can order it tomorrow. I'm missing this grill piece for the fog light filler or whatever you wanna call it. I have a fog light that's over there, but I can't install it without the filler because fog light sits right on top of that filler. Now I want to install the headlights, just bolt them in on a few screws and install the bumper on a few screws. I just really want to see how car looks all assembled. I already installed the bumper just hanging there, so now let's slam this bumper back on and see finished product. Kind of finished. There's still a ton of work needs to be done, but oh well. At least we can see and have some idea how it looks. Guys, check this out. It's almost finished the product. The bumper is slightly tacked in and a few bolts. Nothing is adjusted. Everything is just slammed in to see how it looks. I still have to adjust the hood, bumper and headlights, but as it is, it looks gorgeous. I mean, I haven't seen this SUV assembled yet. I mean, let's get it outside. I'll show you around how it looks. Man, I can't believe it, it's already on this stage. Still some to go, but it's beautiful. Wow. So much work put into it, even though it was looking like an easy hit. But as you saw, there is a lot of work needs to be done on it. And I'm proud of myself to be here right now. It's so nice feeling to see this car almost complete. Let's do some walk around so you can see all. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode. I can't do anything else on this vehicle just because I don't have rest of the parts. Like I said, I don't have the filler for the fog light. Also missing a running board. I thought I could have fixed mine, but it's as one piece and it's plastic, it's cracked, so I have to go to dealer and buy it. Also, what I find out that the tail lamp, it's not that expensive at the dealer, and it's only $80 more what's worth on eBay. I'll just gonna go to the dealer, gonna purchase that. Plus, there's few minor things there's few sensors that broken. I could not see that at the beginning, and those parts I'll have to buy from a dealer, and they have it in stock, so tomorrow I'm gonna go and buy it. Comment down below what you think about this build. Also, if you enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop before YouTube. And I'll catch you next one.